Guys, today we make something very cool. If you try this, you're never gonna stop doing it. Just I want to show you. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. 250 grams of white plain flour, 100 ml the water, slowly, inside, start mix. The oil is 35 grams of oil. Mix everything. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on channel and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. When you mix something like that, 5 grams of salt and mix. Put a little bit of flour. It's 10 minutes to preparation. Just mix. It's almost done. Until become gonna be smooth. With this amount, we're gonna have 3 nice, we call in Italian, schiacciata. It's like crackers, you know? It's good, super easy. It's gonna be something like that. Leave to rest like around 20 minutes, half an hour. Okay guys, 20 minutes is like that. It's soft and nice, okay? Preheat the oven 240 degrees. Flour. We cut in 3 this, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Prepare as well 1 tray like that to go in the oven. We're gonna make that very thin. Okay? Take your time. You see? The form, you can give any form you like. Square, roll. But important I'm gonna show you thin. A little bit flour. And this one, guys, they cook very quickly. They cook in 7, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, depends on your oven. You can help yourself with the hands as well. This is done. This is ready. You see? Thin. And this one on the top, you can put some oregano, thyme, rosemary. Put some oil on the bottom. There it is. The schiacciata, and put in 4 and make the olive oil on the top, like this. Oregano. Be in the oven 7-8 minutes. We make another one. Go in the oven. Guys, this one just now I take out from the oven 9 minutes. You see? Beautiful. To rest. And leave it. We're going for the next one. You put here oil, fresh thyme. And this go again in the oven. Around 7-8 minutes. Guys, half an hour, 3 ingredients, everything is ready. Look at that. This is the last one. I did the rosemary, thyme, and oregano. They're beautiful. Yeah? Wow. Absolutely delicious. This is my crackers. Schiacciata. How do you want to call? Absolutely easy, delicious. If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.